Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If your thumbnails in Windows 11 or 10 are not showing correctly or you are low on storage, clearing the thumbnail cache can help. So in this video, I will talk about how to clear the thumbnail cache in Windows 10 or 11. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type clean-mgr and press enter. This opens the disk cleanup tool. Now select the drive where Windows is installed, usually the C drive, and click OK. This cleanup will take a few moments to calculate how much space can be freed up. Once the list appears, scroll down and look for the option called Thumbnails. Check that box and make sure other important options like Downloads or Recycle Bin are unchecked unless you want to clear those too. Now click OK and then choose Delete Files. Windows will now remove the cached thumbnail images. And that's it. Your thumbnail cache is now cleared, and this will help your system stay clean and responsive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.